This is your big boy D Stock, and today we're gonna attack the Kabza type of theme. We're gonna attack Ipupo by Kabza, featuring Tato Hatsi. So yeah, man, let's listen how it is, break it down, and yeah, feed it to the people. So the people can do the best things for the people. You know what I'm saying? Let's check it out. Now this song is not a bad one. It's not a bad one. It's going through the motions of the spirit of Amapiano, like your typical 6-5-4-2. You know, these are like your basic things, man. And this song is in the key of C, so all our white keys are very viable here. So and how it goes, it's basically we start off with our 6, nah, and then we go to 5, and then we go to 4. And then we go to 2. It's typically like, if you had to link it to another song, it would be like, but now, how they actually change it or make it into a different nuance is the voicings, the chords. You know, Mtimini was very simple with the chords. With this one, they're much more expressive, you know, and even with the bass kick, because like, bum, bum, be, bum. And that different type of thing is like a new accent to the whole grammar of the language, and it can spice the song up. Very nice song. And yeah, so it's very simple to break down. There's not a lot to break down, but what I want to do is actually add a bit more spice. How can we actually spice this song up, you know? And I'm going to use a concept that we shared on our course, you know, like our full Amapiano course, guys. Just check down there. I want to link it down, you know, just click on that. It's like a full course. You start from start to beginning. And usually I'm going to use those concepts that I do there. So like polychords, substitution, sevenths, chords, and all that. So how would I approach the song? No, after learning Amapiano or being like in a sort of high level, instead of playing like our simple, you know, da, da, even like, you know, like this minor ninth, right? You can play it way better, you know? And then you can, these minor ninths, right? We can do nice substitutions on them, because instead of playing them like this, you know, I can play them with the open voicing, you know? You see what I'm saying? These are like opens. These are like our open bad boys. You know, can even 13th it. You know, when you're on a major, instead of just hitting that minor ninth voicing, you know, polychord where you hit like the minor, you know, the minor 7th of the 6th, and with that 4th, instead of like doing that whole concept, like you can hit that, or you can open it up to make it a major 13th, you know. And then when you hit the minor, you can either hit it like that, or you can close it, or it can even suspend it, and that's actually a nice chord. Or you can even go for the concept by borrowing the major 7th of the 1, and that gives a very smooth sound. Right? So using those concepts, you know, I would play the song like, no, sus 9, then 5, sus 4, major 13, and a minor ninth. But the minor ninth, I'm playing it not like with the normal major 7, like open it up, and then I can either play it like this, or I can hit the 11th version, you know? So let's try it with the 11th version. So it would be like something like 6, and 5, 13th, 11th. Hear that, and with that bass, that's ring there in the back. Oh my goodness. When you hit that thing, because like, oh, so sweet, so jazzy. You can even apply that to the 6, you know? So apply that to the 6. So applying that to the 6th, so like the minor 9th, 11th, so it'd be like 6, 5, 4. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of ways to play the song, and it's that evolution change. So I want you guys to actually listen to, but also different keys as well. Also, different keys also help, but it's that different change in the key, right, that can give you a different quality of the chords. So we play the song like this, right? So it's 6, 5, 4, 2, but we can play it so many other ways. We can really play it so many other ways. We can be like, open it up. You know? Or even major it. Then augment it 2. Oh, a whole bunch of things. So guys, yeah, man, that was just a breakdown of Ipupo. Very short and sweet, but the main aim was to show you guys you can expand those chords and make these songs your own. So guys, this is D-Stock signing out. You guys stay blessed and have a good time.